All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to 777 Television, your home for everything Matrix Encryption. And I'm your host, Cryptic Creations. We always like to start out our videos by reminding you that we have a thesis here at Matrix Encryption. And our thesis is that encryption has become overly automated and overly centralized, requiring too much trust of third parties. The next thing we'd like to let you know is that the success and really the very survival of Matrix Encryption depends on the Decentralized Cryptographic Revolution, which we're going to call the DCR for short. Now, what is the DCR? The Decentralized Cryptographic Revolution is a theoretical cultural movement that we hope to spur, spark, and otherwise ignite and kick off and start. Let me just see how many acronyms I can come up with for the same thing. Yes, think about it. Why am I saying this? Because end-to-end encryption that's already in place is currently working more or less just fine, but we have two main issues, two problems for end-to-end encryption. And one is the lack of control, the lack of personal control over the process that protects your data, your personal data on public or on these huge sites, Facebook, Gmail, etc. And without control, you are subservient. And the other issue is quantum computing. And in the future, quantum computing is going to be a real problem for encryption. And one of the main defenses that we have going into the remainder of the 21st century is layered encryptions. And the only way that you can layer encryptions is, the easiest way is to just use the same encryption technique over and over again, like encrypt the encryption of the encryption of the encryption of the data, something like that. But you don't have to do that with the same type of encryption technology at every layer, at every step. You can use RSA for the first step, and then you can use matrix encryption for the next step. You can use these different modes, but if they're not available, you obviously can't use them. And so matrix encryption makes another option available. And Matrix Encryption is a startup software company that offers cryptographic products and services based on our patented symmetric key encryption technology. You can read all about our patent. There's a link in the description. There should be. And the type of experience offered at Matrix Encryption is one that is best described as manual, proactive, hands-on, educational, liberating, protective, control bestowing, a cultural phenomenon, as we were talking about with the DCR. Without the DCR, there is no matrix encryption, and the experience that we offer is also characterized as being trust limiting. If you know anything about cryptocurrency and the Bitcoin revolution, you know that trustlessness and trust is a big issue, and that the elimination of third parties and the requirement of trusting those third parties is huge with cryptocurrency. That's like the core value proposition, is that you don't have to trust anybody because it's all happening automatically with ones and zeros, and there's no one to trust. Matrix encryption is also trust limiting because you're not having to rely as heavily on the big players, to automatically end-to-end encrypt your data. You can still use end-to-end encryption, but supplementing with additional layers and techniques such as matrix encryption is highly recommended. And so without further ado, let's go ahead and do the product purchase demonstration. We're already logged in to matrixencryption.com. We're doing this demonstration locally, and so no real money will be exchanged. But the idea is that you will, we're already logged in, and the first thing I would like to draw your attention to is that if we click on either of the service tabs here, encrypt or decrypt, instead of being taken to the proper service tab, the service page rather, we're taken to the products page because the service is expired. You get a 1-month free trial, and even clicking on the profile page will show you that your free trial has expired. And so you get this message, and it's very clear the account no longer has the free trial service, and service is denied. Your free trial has expired, traveler. Please purchase a product or service. And so in order to continue using matrix encryption, we're going to have to purchase a compiled program. And so we have 4 products currently available for download. We have more on the way. Let's go ahead and click on Fox version 4. All of the products have a product brochure that is unique to that product. We recommend reading all of the product brochures, and ideally you would have read them before making your informed decision to, in our demo, we're going to say that we've made up our mind and we've decided to choose product version 4. And so let's go ahead and buy now. We're taken to another tab that is in PayPal. This is a secure PayPal checkout window. PayPal is our unofficial payment partner, and there's a 10% tax. You can check out with debit or credit card. When you do that, you simply will fill out your billing address, but you won't fill out a shipping address because there isn't one. This is a digital download, so I made it where you only have to fill out your billing address. It's convenient that way. You save a little bit of time, and then you just click pay. But PayPal is our payment solution, and we're going to check out with PayPal. So we click the PayPal button, and you log into your PayPal account. Once you're logged in, you get a summary, and you're going to pay $76.95. That's the full total. And you simply click complete purchase. Then we are taken to a page that looks like this. We have the date, transaction ID, the product, the price, and the confirmation email. This confirmation email will be sent to your email that you filled out, but not the email that you filled out when you registered your Matrix Encryption account, but the email that you filled out during checkout. So you have to fill out your email during checkout, and if you're logged in with PayPal and you check out with PayPal, then your confirmation email is going to go to the email that you used to log in with PayPal. You see, it's not really complicated. It's just you have the option to register a different email when you register the account. And so bottom line is you're going to get 2 emails, one from PayPal and one from Matrix Encryption. And again, the email from Matrix Encryption will look something like this, and it will contain a URL with a time-sensitive code, essentially, that will allow you to download your product in the case where you were not able to get to the download page. The PayPal email looks like this. From PayPal, you get the date, your name, your email, hello, your name, you paid 777 Technologies, and everything checks out. Everything will check out. You'll get this confirmation email, again, to the email that you used during checkout, not necessarily the email that you registered with for Matrix Encryption. But you're going to be taken automatically back to the secure download page from PayPal after checkout. What happens is you're on that page you saw, and I was talking, and then we automatically went back to Matrix Encryption after 20 seconds. You are advised of that here. PayPal advises. They say you'll be redirected in 20 seconds, or click return to merchant. So if I had not waited 20 seconds and I had just clicked return to merchant, we would have gone back sooner. But this essentially completes the product purchase demonstration. You download your product and then it'll be saved onto your computer. In our next video, we're going to show you how to install the program and do a product service demonstration on desktop. Show you what that looks like, and hopefully you'll be impressed enough with how much better it is than what you can do on the web app, which only lets you encrypt up to 300 characters. So that's going to wrap it up for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe and create an account at matrixencryption.com today. Be a leader. Become a part of the decentralized cryptographic revolution. It can't happen without you. And if you love Bitcoin cryptocurrency, then there's no reason why you shouldn't jump on board with Matrix Encryption. We welcome you. We would love to have you be part of the team. And if you're interested in any collaborations, or you just want to reach out, learn more information, you're more than welcome to reach out to us. And with that, we will end the video. We look forward to seeing you in the near future. Take care.